Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Yext listings management to increase local e-commerce traffic. Beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate Yext listings management, start by visiting the Yext website. Sign up for an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the products section. Select listings from the available options. Click on Get Started to access the listings management dashboard. Enter your business details, including name, address, and phone number. Ensure that your business information is accurate and consistent. After updating your business details, click Save. Next, review the list of directories Yext can manage for you. Choose the directories that are most relevant to your business. After selecting your directories, click Next. You will need to verify ownership of your business. Follow the prompts to verify your business ownership. Once verified, Yext will start the process of updating your listings. Monitor the status of your listings through the dashboard. Check back regularly to ensure all information remains accurate. Use the insights from Yext to drive more local e-commerce traffic. Leverage the analytics provided to understand customer engagement. Adjust your listings based on performance metrics to optimize visibility. As a final step, promote your updated listings through your marketing channels. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.